Hello, thanks for joining me. A slight change of perspective today. Here we see my backdrop, a life-size banner of a Yamaha. Here we see the alloy tank, a cherished possession. And here I am in a new seat donated by a neighbour. Cheers, Mark. I really appreciate it. What am I doing posting this? I'm just wanting to see how it looks from this perspective with a backdrop that's not prepared on green screen. This is a real life backdrop. I'll wind it up now and see what the footage looks like. Thanks for joining me. Cheers.